Today, I am back with another special one. Something that once you give it a try, everyone around you will be like, wow. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another interesting one. So let's begin. Start by adding 1 egg in a bowl. To that, moving with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then I added milk. You can substitute the milk with water. All right. You can as well add more sugar if you wish. I have made the first version of this recipe without sugar, so you can check it out. The link will be at the comment section. Mix to combine very well and set it aside. In another bowl, start by sifting all-purpose flour. Always sift the flour before making use of it, all right? Once that is done, I move in with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You can also substitute the cornstarch with cassava starch, that is tapioca. Then I move in with cinnamon powder and a pinch of salt. No baking powder, no yeast. Mix to combine very well. Then I added a tablespoon of butter. You can as well use margarine. Start mixing till everything is well combined. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, after mixing, it is time to move in with the wet ingredients. Alright. Continue mixing. If there is need for you to add more liquid, please do. All right. I added extra liquid. Okay. Continue mixing. Now I'm going to transfer to the work surface just to have enough space to mix properly. Okay. Now I continue mixing and kneading till I form a dough. The dough doesn't need to be smooth. All right. Keep watching. We are still going to roll. All right. I'm going to divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Okay, pay attention right now. From each of the dough, I will take out little. Please pay attention, all right? Now we have 3 dough, all right? The pieces that I got, I mixed them together. Now we have 3 dough. Now I'm going to set the first 2 aside. Now from the pieces 1, I am going to add 1.5 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Then I added 2 tablespoons of water. I am going to mix till it turns into a chocolate dough. A beautiful shout out to you, Christian, watching from Houston, Texas. Salud from Sudan. Victoria Vanessa, watching from Ghana. And Rachel Awaji, all the way from Nigeria. Whoops! Aww, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? Alright, I continue to roll till I come to a very flat dough. Roll as flat as possible you can, alright? Once that is done, go ahead and shape the 4 corners of the dough just to get a perfect square or rectangular shape. Alright, once that is done, I am going to set this dough aside. Please don't go anywhere. We are just starting, alright? Okay, now back to the chocolate dough. Remember this dough, right? I will divide into 2. Set one aside and start working with the other half. I am also going to roll as flat as possible I can. If you are with me at this moment, type very flat. Once that is done, I am going to cut. You can see the size that I cut, about 1/2 inch of a tape, or about 5 cm. Gently pull one after the other. Now back to the first white dough that we rolled earlier. I am going to give it a quick roll. Here comes the magic. Now with your single finger, dip inside the water and rub on the surface of the dough, giving it about 5 cm gap, or you can use 1 inch gap. Yeah, 1 inch gap is okay, as demonstrated on the video. Repeat the same process till you are done. Now go ahead and cut off the excess ones. It is time to fold. Fold as demonstrated on the video. Please don't be in a hurry, all right? Fold gently so that you will achieve a perfect result at the end of the work. Once you get to the end, rub in some water and fold completely. Give it a quick roll. You should have this cutie. Repeat the same process with the other half. It is time to wrap it up with a plastic bag. All right. Once that is done, you are going to let this to sit in your walk-in freezer for about an hour. You can even do it overnight. 1 hour later, it is standing still. Yes, very firm at this point. Now I'm going to retire one back into the freezer while I work on the first one. All right. Now get another plastic bag and start cutting. First, I divide into 2 equal parts. This is what the inside looks like. Did you notice those leopard spots? If you do, say I do at the comment section. Go ahead and cut as tiny as possible you can. Put them in separate form and cover with the plastic bag. Now get your tablespoon and start pressing it. This is going to make it to be more lighter in texture. Also, it is going to bring out more of that leopard spot. Okay, and voila, you are done. Look at what the texture looks like. If you don't want to go the spoon process, please go ahead and use your rolling pin and roll after cutting. Very simple and easy. It is time to fry. As fast as possible you can, throw them one after the other into the hot, moderate oil. If you watch up on this minute, thumbs up for you. I love you so much. Thank you so much. It also means that you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. Flip them around from time to time. Once they are golden brown like so, it is ready. Take it off the heat, and that is basically all for this recipe. Transfer into an open tray and allow to cool down completely. Emphasis on completely. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. I love it. Here are the ones that I made from the pieces that I cut out. You can see that both share different design. One has a rainbow design and the other one with a leopard spot. If you watch up on this minute, clap for me at the comment section. Super crunchy, very delicious. All right, now if you want to store this, you need to put it in an airtight container. Separate them in a way that once you have taken, you have taken. This can last up to a month. I guarantee you that, when properly covered. All right, you can as well send this to someone and they will appreciate it. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.